Ping Ping's Lechon Laloma. And the race is on. Join account from the outside is Uncle Russia Magic U. And moving up down on the inside is Primavera. Rushing up Abon's Treasure alongside is Rude Knight Remus. Formidable Ella down on the inside. And rushing up Reyes Gold Uncle Manila Magic Terrible Heart and Life in Manila is the early trailer passing the half-mile post. Magic U. Join the count, rushing up Shrub Knight. Running by the run is Primavera. Joining them now is Remus, the favorite. Rounding the far turn, Magic U. Remus from the outside, join account. Rube Knight racing in fourth, running fifth, Primavera, sixth position. Reyes Gold, seventh, Manila Magic, Formidable Ella, Abon's Treasure, Uncle Terrible Heart, and Life in Manila. As they race the final corner, Remus join account down on the inside. It's still Remus in the lead, followed by Magic U and join account racing in third. But still Remus by some 4 lengths now. And nearing the finish line, better go down and collect. For entry number 12, Remus. Second, Magic U, Reyes Gold. Number 9, Manila Magic, Rube Knight. And for your Super sa East, join account.